Today, we have a very special guest joining us. Her amazing designs inspire us all, and her label, House of Satwa, makes you fall in love with fashion.
Her vibrant designs give a sense of confidence to all the girls out there. She knows how to play with color schemes and make any woman look graceful and classy. Please welcome Soumya Gogia from the House of Satwa. Hi Soumya, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Great, very good. So, we'd like to ask you some questions about your label, your design, and everything.
Sure.
So Soumya, what was the inspiration behind starting your own label?
So, since my very childhood, I always saw my mom doing all these, stitching things and everything. And it was just, her inspiration and her designs that actually made me fall for this sort of a line since a very early age.
And it was always part of the plan.
So it wasn't really the part of a plan since I actually did a master's in my commerce, and then only I pursued this fashion line afterwards. So it actually was into my bloodline, but it just came on to me after a very certain point of time.
That's pretty cool, yeah. So, with the pandemic and the third wave coming around the corner, there might be a possibility of a lockdown. What do you think are the challenges that you have faced or that you might face with the lockdown in the country?
So what happened is when I started my label here, it actually happened to be the second lockdown, in the month of April and everything. So it was like quite start of my career here as House of Satwa. So once you are already through that lockdown now, you already feel that half of the job is already done. I've already faced a lot of issues that I have to take care of my labor also. Then I have to put all these expenses from my own pocket. Then there is always that people still want their everything, what they're planning to do for their own family functions or whatever. And then we have this very limited time.
And there
I
are
cannot go.
logistics issues and everything.
Yeah, I actually caught up with COVID last time around.
Oh.
So of course there is that.
We hope you take better care of this.
Definitely.
If you had to choose an alternate career, what would be your preference?
So I dreamt about being a lecturer, and that is why I did my master's in commerce. I don't know how I did, get into this line.
Wow, and so your collections have pretty amazing names. Sonheri, Oceanic.
Definitely.
Yeah, so they have really amazing names. What are the inspirations behind them and which collection is your favorite?
So, there's this collection by the name of Modest 20, which was my very start of this label. That has always been my personal favorite. Why? Because it is very dear to me in terms of, first collection of my own. And about the inspirations, there's always something, it's just about the color or the things that we come across when we're doing this. Then there is always this picture skew things.
So what would you prefer? A contrasting color theme or a monochromatic color scheme?
It's always monochromatic. Hands down monochromatic.
So, if you had to choose any one designer to work with for life, who would you
Okay.
choose and why?
Okay, that's very difficult because there's always different inspirations that you go through. But again, if I actually would like to go through one designer, I would want to work with Gaurav Gupta for sure.
So you've had great success on social media platforms, especially if they feature you. So modeling was always the more suitable path.
No, I don't think so. I was never leaned towards modeling as a career path. It just came across because I have to feature myself in the very start because of my own collection. So
Oh, sorry.
it's okay. I feel that there is no one else who could lay down that story other than you.
For sure. And someone told us about your fashion days. Does
Okay.
I Vogue ring a bell?
Definitely. Oh my God, I woke. Yeah, it was definitely something.
Do you have a role model in the industry?
So as far as I talk about a role model, I don't have a particular role model if I say, but again, that I said you that I really get inspired with Gaurav Gupta's work.
So, basically, what are your future plans for Satwa? And by the way, amazing name. What was the inspiration for that?
Thank you. So Satwa actually means the good elements of earth. And when I was actually thinking about starting my own label, I was like, there should be something in the name itself which rings the bell of purity, something when it connected to the earth.
Okay, so another segment, we'll play rapid fire. I'll give you a word and you'll tell whatever comes in your mind.
As soon as you
Done.
Fashion,
Career.
Black,
White.
Satwa.
Pure.
Holiday.
Germany.
Car.
Endeavor.
Model.
Me.
Colors.
Red.
Love.
Valentine's.
Style.
Bow.
Instagram.
Good app.
Makeup.
Very necessary.
Accessories.
I like to, tone down on accessories.
Footwear.
Boots, definitely.
Chocolate.
Duck.
Winters.
Not very fond of winters, I'm so sorry.
Same.
Fragrance.
Well, I love fragrances, but I'm very allergic to it, so allergy should be the name.
Okay. Now in another segment, we'll give you two options and you have to choose one.
Okay.
So winters or summers?
Summers.
Sunglasses or bags.
Bags.
Jackets or coats?
Coats.
Ethnics or Indo-Western.
Ethnic.
Saris or lehengas?
Definitely lehenga.
Online marketing or offline marketing.
I'll prefer online marketing more.
Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Lucknowi chicken curry or bandhani.
Bandhani.
All whites or all black?
All whites.
Florals or basic.
Basic.
What's important, inspiration or goal?
So a goal is always important when it comes to that, because if you don't have that clarity in your mind that where are you heading to, it's useless.
And heels or shoes.
Heels.
Straight hair or curly hair?
Curly.
Snapchat or Instagram.
Instagram, definitely.
Masaba Gupta or Manish Malhotra?
I think I like Manish Malhotra better.
Gold or diamond.
Gold.
Evening gown or day dress?
An evening gown.
So what would you choose? Money or success?
I'll definitely choose success over money.
And would you choose success or happiness?
So I think success. Definitely.
Okay, so lastly, Soumya, tell us a little about your upcoming collection 2022.
So I'm introducing a lot of lehengas for this collection, and what I really wanted to play is with a lot of colors, just color contrast and all. So like this time my inspiration, it really came from the color combinations that we have, all the RGB and everything in the contrast thing. So yeah, that's what is coming.
Great, Soumya. It was nice having you here.
Same here.
Thank you so much for being here. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.